Hi, this is Gaurav Shukla, currently studying LPC class 12th for medical. I've also joined Aakash Institute, Gomti, Nagar, Lucknow. Prior to the lockdown, I used to follow my timetable on regular basis, but due to these lockdown conditions, my studies are greatly hindered. But now, due to online classes of Aakash, my studies are back on track. The faculties are really devoted to us. They try to ensure that all our doubts are clear. The class environment is very disciplined. We have moderators which ensure this discipline. The classes are very secured also. As passwords are provided to us for entering these classes, a person who possesses password can only enter these classes. We get assignments and homework on regular basis to ensure that all our weak points became strong. I know these conditions are hard, but we have to manage somehow. I don't find any difference between online and offline classes. They are both are really good. Online classes are basically more preferable as I get time to manage all my topics that are remaining. I'm also able to revise my 11 topics that I was not able to do so. Thank you.